Here we are at problem 3u from the summer packet. We have the limit as x approaches negative infinity of the cosine of this large parenthesis. Now this parenthesis inside of it looks incredibly intimidating, but it's actually not that bad. And if you think back to those ideas with the radicals, we can actually take our limit, which is x is going to negative infinity, and we can actually insert it much like the radicals, where we can insert it inside of, dealing with just our x values. So in other words, like this cosine is considered to be kind of like an outside-most function that we can kind of pull out. So in other words, we would end up then with the cosine of the limit as x approaches negative infinity of our x to the 5th plus 1 all over x to the 6th plus x to the 5th plus 100. And now this is actually, believe it or not, a much more manageable limit. So we still have the cosine on the outside. He's not changing. But in this scenario where we have this x to the 6th, notice that the degree is larger on the bottom than it is the top. Well, when you're dealing with infinities, anytime you have that case, that entire limit, no matter what it is, will just come out to be 0. Again, just because our degree on the bottom is larger than our degree on the top. So now we have the cosine of 0. Well, that just comes out to be 1. So our solution, or our limit, for problem 3u comes out to be 1.